Hey folks, it's David Worrell, your DIY CFO, with a real quick PPP update. The SBA came out with new total guidance and application form and calculations, the whole ball of wax for us just yesterday, so I wanted to get this out as soon as possible. And here's a quick look at the form. Not very complicated, much simpler than we had ever thought it might be. And I've read the instructions. It's really going to be quite something, quite simple, fortunately. So give me a day or two to put together a new calculator and a new overview video, and I'll get something right out to you. Meanwhile, if you want to dig in yourself, here's a link down in the description of this video. You'll find a link to find this document. It's on the Treasury website. It is called the Paycheck Protection Program Loan Forgiveness Application and the instructions for borrowers. So it's available now. Take a look and come back here in a couple of days and I will have something for you very complete. Thanks a lot.